Hello there, and welcome to another edition of Fox Focus. This is Case or No Case. I'm Andrea Williams, and that is Jeff Pitman. He's an attorney at PKSD Law Firm. How are you, Jeff?
I'm doing really well, and I'm happy to announce that we're having limited edition Case or No Case hoodies available. Go to the PKSD website, click on a link, first come, first serve. So you ready for the scenario?
Yes, I am ready.
So you're driving up and you're approaching an intersection. You've got a stop sign, traffic going left and right does not have any type of control. So it's an uncontrolled intersection. You pull up, you look, you see a car coming from your right, and it seems like you've got enough time to cross the intersection. You start pulling out, bam, you get T-boned. And as a result of the investigation, it's determined that that driver is going 45 miles an hour in a 25-mile-an-hour zone. So case or no case against that driver who did not have the stop sign. You had the stop sign and had to yield the right of way.
Well, since speed was a factor, I'm guessing that's automatically a case.
This is a case. It's important that speed defeats right away. So even though that person did not have to stop, they have to go the speed limit. Otherwise, they're going to be on the hook for your injuries.
All right, great information as always. And if you ever need help, just dial the 333-3333 for the PKSD guarantee.